Okay, so guys, welcome. Today you're going to be learning how to blend fonts with Canva, right? How do you get the right type of font? Now, for many designers, especially people that are beginning, this is a very hard process for them to do, right? They struggle. Okay, which font is going to rhyme? Is it going to be Arial Black and Montera? Is it going to be Cinzel and Robote Regular? Is it going to be Robot Sog and Now, right? All those are fonts names, by the way. So they are just trying to find out what fonts can be, right? So today we're going to learn how to easily rhyme font using Canva, right? That's why I love Canva so much. So the first thing we do, as always, just click on the add button. When you click on the add icon, the next thing you go to your custom size, and after your custom size, you'll be choosing the size 3000 by 3000 as usual. Why do we do that? So quality will be high, even though we post it on social media platforms, right? Okay, so after that, to go to create new design. So after you're done creating new design, now just wait. Just face that out. So guys, we are done waiting, right? After it's done loading, right, this icon, right, this page, so this blank page shows, right? So you just click on this add icon at the bottom, right? This add icon at the bottom, in case these are black, in case these options didn't show it. Okay, so this option pops up, right? So we want to learn how to blend fonts, right? So in case you notice, you see templates. A lot of you see this template, right? But most people don't recognize this style. They don't realize this style right here. So the style is what we're going to be choosing today. So you just go to the style. And when you go to style, right, you will just see that there are various options here. You see what they call font set, right? Font set. So these font sets are actually lots of fonts presently on Canva that can be blended, that go well together. Canva have tested this font and see that those fonts match. You understand? They're just like matchmakers, right? Canva is just like matchmakers. They have matched all the fonts for you. So after you're done with your design, because we're not doing any design, right? After we are done with our design, right, you just go to this add icon, you go to this style, you come to your font side, and then you just choose. You try popping slide. All your fonts now, if we are designing, right? If we are designing, all our fonts is going to change to. You see, this is how it's going to be like. All our fonts is going to change to the exact fonts that are here, right? If we don't like this one, we can just choose archival sans. It changes, right? It changes, and then we just keep checking out the one you want until you get the one that is okay. Do you understand now? So that's how easy it is, guys, to blend. You see, they are changing to you get to the one that fits you, right? So that's how easy it is, to blend fonts. Thank you so much for your time.